Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change the starter on a Nissan Armada. Begin by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and raising the truck securely on jack stands. Remove the air intake or components blocking starter access, then label any electrical connectors you disconnect. Have a marker and container for bolts to avoid mix-ups. Always wear gloves and eye protection and work on a cooled engine to keep things safe and tidy. In this video, I will show how to change the starter on a Nissan Armada. With the battery off and the truck secured, reach the starter from below or through the wheel well for easier access. First, remove electrical connections, then loosen and remove the mounting bolts while supporting the starter to prevent it from dropping. Inspect the starter mounting flange and wiring for corrosion before replacing the unit to ensure a reliable installation. In this video, I will show how to change the starter on a Nissan Armada. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while working, grab an Owala water bottle for easy sipping and a leak-proof lid that won't mess up your tools. It's a small convenience that keeps you focused when greasy hands slow you down. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change the starter on a Nissan Armada. Place the replacement starter carefully into position and hand-thread bolts to ensure proper alignment. Tighten bolts to the recommended torque, then reconnect the heavy power cable followed by the small ignition wire. Double-check all connections, lower the vehicle, reconnect the battery negative terminal, and perform a test start to confirm proper operation and no unusual noises or smoke.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.